2018 Peterbilt 348 flatbed truck. Now this is top of class in Peterbilt's medium duty line. Powered by a PX9 engine, manufactured by Cummins. Also equipped with an Allison automatic rugged duty series transmission. Has a lot of power behind this truck here. 20,000 front axle, 40,000 tandems on the rear. You have a 60,000 pound GVWR truck. High grade aluminum cab. Helps you have more weight for payload. You notice the side mirrors are cab mounted, not door mounted like the competition. 90-gallon polished tank. 26-foot flatbed on this one. Does have Peterbilt Air Trac suspension there in the rear. Let's take a look at the other side. You'll see the sliding winches there underneath the flatbed. Also load lights there behind the cab. Brushed stainless battery box. Vertical exhaust. This truck is ready to roll.